Tigers are some of the most awesome animals on the planet, and their lives are packed with cool and surprising stuff. Let's dive into some of the most mind-blowing facts about these big cats. 1. Tiger families. Tigers come in several flavors, or subspecies, each with its own unique traits. Here's a quick rundown. Bengal tiger. These guys are the most common and are mostly found in India. They're like the rock stars of the tiger world. Indo-Chinese tiger. These tigers chill in places like Vietnam and Cambodia. They're a bit smaller and harder to spot. Malayan tiger. These are the smallest tigers, hanging out in Malaysia. They're basically the petite superstars of the tiger crew. Siberian tiger, the giants of the group. Found in Russia's chilly Far East. They're the largest and most powerful. South China tiger. These tigers are super rare and might even be extinct in the wild. They're like the unicorns of tigers. Sumatran tiger, the smallest of the bunch, living only on the Indonesian island of Sumatra. They're small but fierce. 2. Tiger looks. Tigers are not just big and strong, they're also incredibly stylish. Size and weight. Siberian tigers can weigh up to 660 pounds and are over 10 feet long. Sumatran tigers are way smaller, weighing around 310 pounds. Stripes and spots. Each tiger has a unique stripe pattern, like a fingerprint. Those stripes help them blend into the jungle. Night vision. Tigers can see in the dark way better than us. It's like having built-in night vision goggles. 3. How tigers roll. Tigers have some pretty cool habits. Solo life. Unlike lions, tigers like to go solo. They have their own big territories and only hang out with others during mating season. Territory marking. They mark their turf with pee, poop, and scratch marks to let other tigers know, this is my spot. Communication. Tigers use roars, growls, and a special chuffing sound to talk to each other. It's like their own secret language. 4. Tigers' eating habits. Tigers are top-notch hunters. What they eat. They feast on big prey like deer, wild boars, and buffalo. Sometimes, they'll go after smaller stuff too. Hunting skills. Tigers are like stealthy ninjas. They sneak up on their prey, blending into their surroundings until they pounce. Swimming. Tigers are awesome swimmers. They don't just swim, they can paddle for miles and even chase prey into the water. 5. Tiger families and lifespan. The life of a tiger cub is full of interesting stages. Mating. Tigers can mate all year but prefer the winter months. After about 3.5 months, the female gives birth to 2 to 4 cubs. Cub life. Cubs are born blind and rely on their mom for everything. They start exploring and learning to hunt when they're around 6 months old. Lifespan. Tigers live about 10 to 15 years in the wild, but in zoos, they can make it to 20 to 25 years thanks to better care. 6. Tiger conservation. Tigers need a lot of help to survive. Population drop. Tiger numbers have dropped by over 95% in the last century due to habitat loss and poaching. It's a major crisis. Conservation efforts. There are tons of projects aimed at saving tigers, like creating reserves, fighting poaching, and getting local communities involved. Census. Countries like India keep track of tiger populations with regular surveys to see how things are going and to adjust conservation strategies. 7. Tigers in culture. Tigers have a big impact on human culture. Symbolism. Tigers represent strength and bravery in many cultures. They're like the ultimate symbols of power. National animal. Tigers are the national animal for countries like India, Bangladesh, Malaysia, and South Korea. Pop culture. From ancient art to modern movies, tigers are all over the place, inspiring and amazing people everywhere. 8. Tiger superpowers. Tigers have some epic adaptations. Paws and claws. Their massive paws help them move quietly, and their retractable claws are perfect for gripping prey and climbing. Teeth and jaws. Tigers have powerful jaws and huge canine teeth, up to 3 inches long, that help them deliver a killer bite. Whiskers. Their whiskers are super sensitive and help them navigate and sense their environment, especially in the dark. 9. Role in the ecosystem. Tigers are crucial to their habitats. Top predators. Tigers keep the population of herbivores in check, which helps maintain the balance of their ecosystem. Indicator species. The presence of tigers means their habitat is in good shape. Protecting tigers helps protect the entire ecosystem. 10. Human-tiger drama. Sometimes, tigers and humans don't get along. Habitat loss. As people build and expand, tigers lose their homes. This leads to more encounters between tigers and humans. Livestock issues. Tigers sometimes hunt livestock, which can lead to farmers killing tigers in retaliation. Conflict solutions. Strategies like building secure enclosures for livestock and creating buffer zones around tiger habitats can help reduce conflicts. 11. Science and technology. New tech is helping us learn more about tigers. Tracking. GPS collars and camera traps help scientists track tiger movements and monitor their populations. Genetics. DNA studies help us understand tiger genetics. Track individual tigers, and manage breeding programs. Behavior. Researchers study tiger behavior to learn about their social lives, hunting tactics, and interactions with other animals. 12. Famous tigers. Some tigers are famous for their own reasons. Mowgli. Known as the Queen of Ranthambore, she was famous for her hunting skills and was a favorite among wildlife photographers. Kalarwali, Tiger 73. From Pench Tiger Reserve, she was renowned for her successful breeding, contributing significantly to the reserve's tiger population. T25. This tiger from Ranthambore was known for his distinctive look and dominant presence. 13. Captive tigers. Tigers in zoos face their own set of challenges. Space and enrichment. Tigers in captivity need large, enriched environments to stay healthy and happy. It's not just about having space but also having things to do. Breeding programs. Zoos often participate in breeding programs to keep genetic diversity high and support conservation. Ethical issues. There's a lot of debate about whether keeping tigers in captivity is right. The focus is on their well-being and making sure they live fulfilling lives. 14. Tiger tourism. Tiger tourism has its pros and cons. Economic benefits. Tourism brings in money for local communities and helps fund conservation efforts. Awareness. It raises awareness about the need to protect tigers and their habitats. Impact. If not managed properly, tourism can disturb tigers and their environment. Responsible tourism practices are essential to minimize harm. 15. Looking ahead. The future of tigers depends on our actions. Habitat restoration. Fixing up degraded habitats and creating safe travel routes can help tigers roam and hunt freely. Stronger laws. Tougher anti-poaching laws and reducing the demand for tiger parts are crucial for their survival. Community engagement. Involving local communities in conservation efforts and offering sustainable alternatives can reduce conflicts and support tiger protection. Conclusion: tigers are incredible animals with a mix of power, beauty, and mystery. Understanding and protecting them is crucial for maintaining the balance of their ecosystems and ensuring that future generations can enjoy these magnificent creatures. With continued efforts, we can hope to see tigers thrive in the wild and continue to be the awe-inspiring symbols of nature that they are.